So, you want to deliver a free course using GetResponse? Maybe you've heard it's a solid email marketing tool with automation features, but is it actually the best way to set up a course? Stick around because I'll walk you through the process, highlight some key limitations, and by the end, I'll show you an alternative that makes this much smoother, and you'll get an extended free trial through our link. First, GetResponse lets you create an automated email sequence. This is how most people deliver free courses. You set up a welcome email, then drip feed lessons over a few days or weeks. Inside GetResponse, go to Automation and create a new workflow. Start with a trigger, like when someone subscribes to this list. Then, add delays between emails, so lessons arrive in order. Sounds simple, right? Well, here's the catch. Next thing, GetResponse lacks a proper course hosting platform. Your lessons need to be in emails, PDFs, or links to external content. If you're using videos, you'll have to upload them to YouTube, Vimeo, or another service, then embed the links in your emails. There's no built-in video hosting or structured course layout like you'd find in dedicated platforms. The third issue, lack of engagement tools. Courses work best when students can interact, but GetResponse doesn't offer quizzes, progress tracking, or discussion areas. If you want those, you'll need to integrate another platform like Thinkific or Teachable, which adds complexity. The fourth thing, automation is decent but limited. You can set up sequences, but if someone joins late, they might miss out on bonuses or timed content. Plus, if you want detailed tracking on who completed lessons, GetResponse doesn't give you that level of insight. Now, if you're just sending a basic email course, GetResponse works fine. But if you want something more professional, like a proper course hub, better engagement tools, and built-in video hosting, there are much better options. That's why I've linked an exclusive and extended free trial for a better alternative below. Not only does it handle automation and email marketing like GetResponse, but it also gives you a structured way to deliver courses without needing extra tools. And if you're set on using GetResponse, I've added some extra resources to help you optimize it. Check the links below, and I'll see you in the next one.